Welcome to Nava Disha Tech Learning. Today we are breaking down EC2. It's an important idea in cloud. So, what is EC2? AWS EC2 provides resizable virtual machines in the cloud for any workload. It's one of the core ideas in cloud. Here are the key things to know about EC2. First, instance types optimized for compute, memory, storage, GPU, HPC, etc. Also, spot instances up to 90% discount for fault-tolerant workloads. Another key point, bare metal instances for direct hardware access. On top of that, Graviton processors, ARM-based, offer better price performance. Finally, still the foundational compute primitive for most serious AWS deployments. And that's EC2 in simple terms. Come back for another cloud concept tomorrow.